A great way to add mobility to your hips using the steel mace is to do the mace get up. For this, you want the mace in the rack position, and then you're going to kneel down on your opposite leg. So kneel down. Now, you want to take your lead knee to your opposite heel to make a 90-degree position with your shins. So we've got an L position with the shins, and sit down. Simple enough. Next up, sit up, bring that lead leg forward, stand up. And that is a great way to develop that hip strength and mobility, that control to move the hips round, open the hips, stretch the hips out a bit, and then come back up. All the while keeping the concentration to keep the mace nice and still and smooth with that extra little bit of weight of the mace.